What's an international trade? International trade, economic transactions are made between countries. It refers to exchange of goods and services between countries. In simple words, it means the export and import of goods and services. Export means selling goods and services out of the country, while import means goods and services flowing into the country. The need to conduct global trade primarily arises from the uneven distribution of natural resources. This leads to a division of labor development, technical know-how, and lowering of comparative cost, thus making some countries more suitably placed to produce certain goods and services. A smooth flow of international trade ensures that the world economy continues to thrive despite political, social, and cultural differences. In the current state of the world, technological innovations have led to globalization and made the world a borderless whole, open to all forms of trade at all possible levels. No single country can isolate itself from the whole and work towards self-sufficiency. Congratulations, you have officially learned the basics of international trade and business for beginners. Now start booming and make the world your business. Also, if you would like to learn more about international trade, you can watch videos here on my YouTube channel. Now I would like to hear your thoughts. I want to make sure you get this and prove it to me. I want you to do a couple of things for me. 1. Hook me up with a thumbs up, and number 2, comment below with an I get it. I just want to make sure you understand these basic subjects of international trade and business, because they are underlying foundation behind all the scenes of import-export works. So comment below with an I get it, use the hashtag Team Murat if you are a part of Team Murat, and subscribe to my channel here. So go out there and make some trade, be confident, and realize that you can export and import at the same time. Yes, make sure you catch some of the other videos over here. We got some good stuff coming your way, so make sure you subscribe to my channel here. Thanks again. Click over here to keep going. Bye.